Hello.
Oh my goodness, we're back with one of the talking potatoes we have.
I'm Small.
Small, that's right. Hello, Small. Where have you been all this time?
Heading for mashed potato season.
It was open season on potatoes?
Yeah.
And people were mashing them?
Yep.
Were they making them into tater tots?
Yep.
French fries?
Yep.
Latkes?
Yep.
So what do you think about that?
Horrible. That one almost picked me. I don't like it. Stop everything from happening like that.
Okay, well, did you have any chance to read while you were in hiding?
Only one book.
What book did you read?
Universaurus.
What's Universaurus about?
It's about, what do you call those things? Oh, dinosaurs.
Oh, yeah. It's about dinosaurs. And what
And
about them?
how they got extinct, and it's by Professor Potts.
It's by Professor Potts. So do you enjoy this book?
Yes.
What sort of things did you learn from it?
I learned how dinosaurs got extinct, and what's that? And if there were chameleon dragons, and how they pieced dinosaurs' bodies back together. And
What about what color dinosaurs were? Did you learn?
no.
Were they strawberry blonde?
No.
So they don't know what colors?
I don't know what colors.
Isn't that interesting? So who would like this book? Who do you recommend it for?
Well, I kind of recommend it. My potato sister's friend. What's her name? Oh, yeah. Abby.
Abby would like it?
Uh-huh.
So basically, is this a good book for people who like dinosaurs?
Yeah, but it was actually by her grandpa, so I think you would love it.
Okay, well, hey, thanks, Small, for taking time to talk with us today. What are you going to do next?
Let Ida go on.
Okay, have a good day. Goodbye.
Bye.